In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task reminders in Hubspot. Whether you're managing your daily to-do list or overseeing a team, creating clear and timely task reminders can help you stay organized and on track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a task, add detailed information, and set notifications to ensure you never miss a deadline. Let's get started. First, head over to Hubspot and log in. Make sure you have your login credentials handy before starting, as you'll need them to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can use the link in the description below to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hubspot dashboard. From here, locate and click on the CRM option. The CRM section is where all your task-related tools and functionalities are housed, making it the perfect place to manage everything related to your workflow. Now, within the CRM section, look for and click on the Tasks tab. This tab is your go-to hub for creating, managing, and completing all your tasks. Think of it as your personal task manager within HubSpot, designed to keep everything in one organized space. Once you're on the Tasks page, you'll see a Create Task button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is what initiates the process of setting up a brand new task. It's like opening up a blank canvas where you can define exactly what needs to be done. Now you'll be taken to the task creation page here. You'll need to fill in all the relevant details about your task. This includes the task title, due date, priority level, and any additional notes or descriptions that will provide clarity. The more detailed and specific you can be here, the easier it will be to stay organized and ensure anyone involved in the task knows exactly what's expected. Next, look for the reminder option within the task details. This is a crucial step because it allows you to set up notifications for your task. Reminders ensure that you get alerted when the task requires your attention, so you don't have to rely on memory alone. After selecting the reminder option, you'll need to set your desired reminder time and date. Think about when you'd like to be notified. Maybe it's a day before the deadline, or perhaps you want to be reminded several hours in advance. Choose the timing that works best for your workflow and ensures you have enough time to prepare. Before finalizing everything, double-check all the details you've entered. Make sure the task description is clear, the due date is accurate, and the reminder is set for the right time. Taking a moment to review can save you from potential headaches later on. Once you're confident everything is correct, click the Create button to save your task. This step finalizes the setup process and integrates the task into HubSpot's task management system. From here, it will be tracked and stored, ready for you to manage as needed. And that's how you set task reminders in HubSpot. With these steps, you can stay organized, meet deadlines, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. If you have any questions or tips of your own for using HubSpot more effectively, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.